Remove the headrest first. Detach the dust plate. Unzip and put on the seat backrest cover. Adjust the holes for headrest. Tuck the skirts in the seat backrest gap and fix to the back. Thread the buckle over the adjustment bar. Tuck the factory dust flap inside the backrest cover. Tuck the hook and loop tape behind the backrest and press firmly to attach. Put on the seat baserest cover and tuck the buckles into the seat gap. Tuck it. Fasten the buckles from the bottom and adjust to desired length. Hook it. Tighten the tension strap and tie it in a knot. Attach the small hook and secure it to the bottom of the seat. Cover the headrest and install it back. Put on the armrests cover. Firmly lift up on both sides of the seat to release the buckles. Then use a hex socket to remove the fixing screws. Put on the backrest cover. Pass the hook and loop tape from the bottom of the cover through the seat gap. Connect it to the corresponding tape on the back of the seat. Install the other side of the backrest cover using the same steps. Install the rear seat cover. Thread the buckle through the elastic cord and then fasten it. Buckle up and attach the small hook. Tie the black string. Reinstall the rear seat. Reinstall the rear seat. Tuck it. Put on the headrest cover. Adjust the headrest opening. Reinstall the headrest.